Oh my God. I got my hands on Glamlite's spooky box. This might be the most haunted mystery makeup box I've ever unboxed on my channel. Have you guys gotten one of these? What do you think? Will it be spooky? Will it be the spookiest mystery makeup box you've ever watched unboxed? Let's dive in here and find out. What is in here? This box is packed tight. Ooh. Look at what we have. Can't give it all away. Not right up front. We got to do a little time in here. All right. What do we think is in here? I'm really wondering, is it going to be spooky makeup? Let's get rid of all of our padding. And voila, we are in here. All right, up first, I have a Rick and Morty setting spray. I've never tried this. I have never gotten my hands on the Rick and Morty setting spray. I want to see what this looks like. I think that was haunted. The top just flew right off. Did y'all see a ghost in there? Did a ghost knock my top off? Maybe this box is haunted. Huh? Rick and Morty got some splaining to do. Anyway, this looks really cool, haunted or not. Let's check out the spray. Whew, knocks your socks off. All right. Not too strong of a scent. I can live with that. That's a nice product. I haven't tried that. And I was in the market for a new setting spray. So, score. Now, I do want to mention that I do have a bunch of Glamlite's Halloween collection items. So, any repeats, I am going to do a giveaway. So, probably what I am going to do is do 2 giveaways. So, I have 2 winners. And I will announce the requirements for the giveaway here shortly, so you guys can enter if you don't have any of these products. So the next product, we got Glamlite and Garfield eyelashes. I have a ton of eyelashes. I'm not a huge eyelash girl because they just poke me and I'm not very good at it. So, and I'm also just lazy when it comes to eyelashes. I don't put them on a lot. I'll use some mascara. That's about as far as I go. So, possibly giveaway. Next up, we have... what do we have? Next up in here, we have Camp Crystal Lake. This was the Friday the 13th collection from Glamlite. This is their color palette. I actually did pick up this palette in the Friday the 13th. Believe it or not, this is one of the only items I picked up in that collection. I did pick up the highlighter in this palette. I didn't buy the full-on collection with this. So, we gotta figure out how to open it up. It looks like a videotape, which is kind of cool. It's a color scheme on the back. And I think... opens like a book. And then inside is your cool little VHS. These are the colors we are working with. I have not used this palette, first time opening it, but I do already own it. So, you know what that means? It's going in a giveaway. Who doesn't have this? Who would like to be in the giveaway to get this palette? Next up, I got the Kiss Mirror. I do not own a Kiss mirror. I have other mirrors from other collections, but I do not have the Kiss mirror. So I'm excited for that one. I didn't buy anything from the Kiss collection. So I'll keep the mirror because I don't have that. I do collect those. I don't know why. It's not like I need them. Need 100 mirrors in my house. Why? Next up, we got the Glamlite Kiss Lick It Up. And it looks like this come with a lipstick and a lip pencil. I'll be keeping this. Mostly because I'm going to destroy the box getting into it, probably. There we go. Slides on out. It's the color. Looks like it's kind of a rosy red. That's pretty. I'm not really one much for reds. Sometimes I use reds, but for whatever reason, I feel like I want to keep the red in this. And then, of course, the red lip pencil, which doesn't turn up. Look at that, come half out. And it's not a twisty. I imagine I'll have to sharpen this one because for whatever reason, it kind of came stuck up in the pen. So I'll have to sharpen it down, but that's the color right there where I got it out. But I'll have to give that a good sharpen before I use it. But that's cool. Let's see. What do we got next? We got something from the Good Guys collection. Another collection I don't have anything from. So this is Good Guys Wanna Play Marshmallow Scented Lip Mask and Scrub. I always do like me a good lip mask, especially in the winter. My lips get really, really dry. While I'm at work, it's terrible. Sometimes I feel like I'm sucking out the Sahara Desert at work. So always down for a good lip scrub and a mask because I love them winter months. What do we got here? Everything also is bubble wrapped. Up here we have another Kiss collection, and this is the Stage Makeup base. So you have a white and a black base, which are basically just covers, canvases for your eyes. So they always come in handy if you want to make any of your eyeshadows pop. These are what you would use. Work wonderful. Next up, we have the Camp Crystal Lake, which is another Jason Lives highlighter. So Friday the 13th highlighter. I do already own this one when I just purchased the palette and the highlighter from this collection. So this is another one that will go into the giveaway. And there is the highlighter. I'm not going to swatch it because it's going to be given away. But how pretty is that? I will say I've used Glamlite's highlighters before, and they do pack a punch. They're pretty good. I don't think you'd be disappointed with Glamlite's highlighters. They might be a little powdery from my recollection, but they pop. All right, and it looks like that is all that was in that spooky box. Now for the kicker, I only paid $40 for this box. So I got all this makeup. I got the mirror, the highlighter, the eye primers, the palette, the setting spray, the lip mask. So yeah, I got everything in this box for $40. Guys, $40. That's a really good deal. A lot of items in here for 40 bucks. So I don't know if it's still available, but if it is, it's definitely worth the snag. However, I am going to be giving away this palette and this highlighter in this video. So what you need to do is you need to be subscribed to my channel. You need to like my video and just comment down below. What was it in this bundle that you liked the most? What is it that you would have liked to have received? And leave your name down there so I know how and where to contact you. So again, subscribe to my channel, like and comment on this video with your name and what you like best that's in this bundle. I will also be cross-posting this over to TikTok. So I'm also going to ask you to jump on over to TikTok if you have it and just give my TikTok a like. And also let me know over there that you liked my YouTube, you subscribed to my channel, and you liked my TikTok, follow my TikTok. And you will be entered to win. And I think I'll do 2 giveaways because that way we can get 2 people winning versus just 1. And I'll have further videos or further giveaways to do coming soon too. Before Christmas, I'm going to do another giveaway of another palette or 2. So yeah, go ahead and hit the like, subscribe, and follow me over on TikTok also, and get a chance to win these palettes. All right, thanks guys. Thanks for watching. Again, like and subscribe. Bye. Editing Michelle here. I figure I probably should stop on and tell you when I will be doing the giveaway. So I figure we will do the giveaway over here around December 1st. That gives everybody enough time to get in, watch the video, get their likes of the videos and their comments in, and yeah, make your decisions on what you think you like best about that box. So yeah, December 1st will be when I will give that away. It's around a couple weeks away from now. So thanks everybody for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck. Bye guys.
Subscribe.